Alright, this is the incision debrided. I've removed about twice that much flesh. You have to remove all dried and contaminated tissue. There was some hay or grass in there. Anything dried out, you have to remove it. If you don't, the wound will never heal. In fact, it'll develop a huge abscess and bust open. I got it all. 2/0 stainless steel suture was used on the skin, and size 1 polydioxanone PDO absorbable suture, size 1, was used on the inside. It looks like it's a little bit indented. Well, that's true. A lot of tissue, fat was removed from under the skin. Plus, keep in mind that their skin is substantially thicker than ours. Stainless steel, if it comes in contact with dirt, won't be a big deal. Absorbable silk sutures in the skin, yeah, staples, snag, come out. A lot of good that does. So this is stainless steel continuous pattern. He's good to go. Any wounds, contaminated wounds, I like to keep the sutures in for 14 days. And the pet will be on antibiotics. Right now he's on injectable antibiotics. Today is the 14th, so 14 days. Towards the end of the month, those stitches can come out. All right. He's waking up. He's got the bobblehead. Hallucinating post-op anesthesia effects. He's doing fine.